Alright, let's see what else we got here. Stuff's been stacking up for a week here, and I didn't go through the stack last week. And let's see what we got this week. Stick on my motor there. Let's see what we got. I know we got some good stuff somewhere. Let's see, got the new camera here, stand. Let's see if people like it or not. They said they like the overhead look. There's an overhead look. Alright, let's see, this one's on top. Let's see what I bought. Pretty important whenever it is, I'm sure. Otherwise I wouldn't have bought it. A mirror. Why'd I buy a mirror? Must be attached to something important. Oh, handlebar junk. Yeah, race bike parts. Almost no corrosion on it. There you go. A quality mirror. Not Harley. It doesn't say Harley on the stem right here. That's how you tell a genuine one. This is fancy. It's got a dog leg lever on it. That's different. Until it's aftermarket, but how bad it rattles. Switch works. Kind of. Alright, so this is your standard 70s style. Wheels rattling. Oh, that's the lever. Yeah, it quits rattling. That lever's junk. 72 to 81. 3/4 inch bore, used for stock applications. Or for race bikes, like that one right over there. So, that bike I got 2 brakes on it. I got a back brake there, Willwood caliper, and then I got some kind of a Japanese unknown swap meet special caliper over there. Something from the 80s, very early 90s. I don't know what year it is. I don't know what that thing's off of. 2 pistons, a floater. So with 2 calipers, you need a 3/4 bore. So I use a 3/4 bore inch cylinder up there, master. So it goes up there, and I work both my brakes with it. I like these old stock ones because I'm not into chrome, and they tend to be better quality anyway. So to get spare parts, you buy old junk, Harley junk. And when you take it apart, you see if it's any good. So that's what this is for. And this one's got a little bit of fungi in there, so the less fungi you see, the better. Got a little bit in there. Looks like it got left out in the rain back east somewhere. Quality. Unknown quality. It could be good or it could be junk. You never know. What else do we got? Top motor mount for a big turd. Resembles that. Heavy duty. Look at that. This is for your standard 4-speed frame or softail application. Mainly 4-speed frame. Heavy duty, 2 bolts, so it's got a lot more holding power than the ones that just have 1 bolt. Some nice heavy duty brackets, I like these. This one's set up for shovel or Evo, that's why it has the over slot there. So when it's close together like there, it's for a shovel head, and if you go at the outside edge, that'd be for Evo. So there you go. So when you put these on the bike, make sure you pre-bend these to fit the head. That way when you tighten everything down, there's no load on everything, and it'll be nice and strong and not break or cause problems. Same for this bracket. A lot of times I'll bend this bracket at a different angle to fit the frame better. But anyway, these are nice brackets. I like them, so I bought this one used. I guess paying for a new one, you get a good used one. What else we got in here? There's something floating around. A radio. Alright. Junk. Trash. There, I got a box. Box for late model junk. There you go. Got a new box.